I thought of taking the highway, 'cause you know I've never.
Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. So today we are going to work on chest and back. Again, I keep on reminding you, as always, Mondays and Wednesdays I do part of my body, Fridays I do full body workouts, and in between I do some cardio. My cardio is mostly walking around my neighborhood, and there's a school down the road and I walk around the track. The other night I actually walked 8 kilometers, which is a lot of times around the track. I think it was like, I don't know, 40 times now. I'm lying. Whatever, work out the math. 400 meters around, 800 meters, 2 times, and keep going. Right, so we're going to start with chest, and today I'm going to do 2 sets of every exercise. I'm going to try and do 12 reps per exercise. Some exercises I might not be able to, but I'm going to try. So 12 reps per exercise, 2 sets of every exercise, and I think I'm good to go. So let's start off with my push-ups, and then in between I'm going to rest 30 seconds every time I stop. Right, let's get going here. Okay. So my team, Sporting Lisbon, got knocked out by Arsenal. Disappointed because they should have won the first game at home, but they messed around. Almost like they didn't want to win, so now they screwed up. Okay, let's go. Set number 2. I don't know why I'm struggling today, guys. I'm going to work the top of my chest now for inclined bench press. And I increased my weight as well. So I was 12.5 for the longest time. So now I'm going 15. Okay. Okay, let's go. Go. 1, 2, I'm going to now lower it down. Okay. I'm going to do flies. Stretch up my chest here.
Tried to make you see my way, but you never listened and you closed your eyes. But now that I'm gone and moving on, I look back and see all my dreams are laying where you are. So wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way.
12.
Wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way. I thought I'd make it without you, but you know I've never been the lonely type. I can't stop thinking about you, and the way you looked when you heard me say goodbye. And now that I'm gone and moving on, I look back and see all my dreams are laying where you are. So wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way. Yeah, wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way.
12. Okay. That was the last set of my chest exercises. I'm now going to do back exercises.
So wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way.
Let's go.
Yeah, wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way.
5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now like this, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Have a good time over there. Okay, last set of that one. And then we've got 2 more sets, then we're done. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last set, I've increased the weight to 22.5 pounds, and I'm going to use both hands to do this next exercise. Okay. Right, let's just go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. I'm all gonna get up. Ugh. Last set, guys, and then I'm done. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. That's it for today, guys. That was a tough workout because I increased my weights. It's amazing how much 2.5 pounds does extra. And I feel good. And see you Friday. And Friday, don't forget, it's a full body workout. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Have a good Wednesday. Bye for now.